Cute cartoon jungle and farm animals seamless wallpaper only $5. Add instant charm to your walls with this adorable seamless cartoon animal design. Featuring a playful mix of jungle animals lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, zebra, monkey, and baby farm animals, surrounded by colorful tropical leaves in a calming pastel palette. Perfect for nurseries and kids' bedrooms, playrooms, and daycare centers, craft projects, scrapbooking, and digital backgrounds. Product details. Price $5. High-resolution seamless pattern, easy to print or apply on wallpaper material, digital file for instant download, no shipping required.